I have a review video for you guys. It's the Play-Doh Kitchen Creations. You guys could see everything that it comes with right here on the cover of the box. Let's go ahead and open this up so you guys can see what it is. And before we do that, let me show you guys the back side. That is everything that it comes with here. And let's go ahead and open it up now. Okay, so this is everything that it comes with. I do like the fact that it has 5 little mini Play-Dohs. We have green, purple, pink. We have like a light green, maybe like a teal color. And then we have yellow. We do have this blue tray that it comes with right here. And then we have everything that's inside this bag. Let's go ahead and open it up. First thing is we have this like little roller right here. It's green in the middle. It has different patterns. We have stars, we have the feet, we have kind of like these squiggly circles, and then we have this zigzag Charlie Brown shirt looking thing followed by some more circles. So that's what that is right here. We do have a heart-shaped stencil that comes with it. It also comes with a purple spatula. We do have the square right here, so we could kind of like make little squares out of the Play-Doh. We also have a circle, but it kind of looks like a pie. So it has the like little round edges, as you guys could see right there. We do have this little orange plate. I think that's pretty cool. And then you guys could see that it says Play-Doh on the inside. We do have a star. Don't forget the star right here. Okay, and then we have this. You could actually put Play-Doh on the inside and kind of smash it in, and it does become like this little star shape right here at the end, so that is cool. Let's take a look at the tray real quick. You guys can see it says Play-Doh, and it has all kinds of designs. We do have like the teddy bear. We have the gingerbread over here. We do have like this Oreo shaped cookie right here. Your kids are gonna love this. They're gonna be able to play and play without running out of shapes, and I definitely recommend this.